आदले मुख्यमंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी सोडेक्सो कंपनी कडेन टायअप करून आयज आमचें एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें आयज तें साकार जावपाच्या मार्गार म्हणजे आयज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आनी इंटरीम किचन करून आयज तुमी पळयता की पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचें न्यूट्रिशन गावता. परत परत आमी सांगत आयिल्ले आसा की न्यूट्रिशन हे आमच्या पेशंटाक को रिलेटेड आसता इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिकवरी एंड जाय ते पेशंटाक जाय जे दुयेंस जाता त्या तरेचें जेवण तांकां न्यूट्रिशन दिलें वयता. एंड कितें जालें की सगळे कडेन आमचे जे संस्था जी आशिल्ली एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूशन जी आशिल्ल्यो खंयच आमी ह्या तरेची सेवा मेस फेसिलिटीज आमचे योग्य नाशिल्ले म्हणून भुरगे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचे भायर वचून ते जेवताले ते ल्हान ल्हान अनहायजिनीक कंडिशनान तेंचे हे जाताले. म्हणून आयज हांगा नर्सिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट जे काही चडांत चड चलयो हांगा शिकता त्याच बरोबर डीन डेंटल कॉलेज म्हणटा की थंय बी मॅक्झिमम गर्ल्स स्टुडंट्स आहा हेंचे खातीर एक इंटरनॅशनल कंपनी सोडेक्सो कडेन आमी टायअप करून एक लाँग टर्म असोसिएशन करून आयज आमकां याद येता की मनोहर पर्रीकर आमचे मुख्यमंत्री जे आशिल्ले त्यांनी आमकां हे सँक्शन करून दिल्ले. आयजचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताच्या सहकार्यान आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी फुडें व्हरता आसा. आनी हेच न्हू आयज प्रत्येक कडेन जे बेडेड हॉस्पिटल आहा आमचो प्रयत्न आसतले की ह्या एजन्सीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं काय जे खंय पेशंटाची संख्या आहा ते पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचें न्यूट्रिशन दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी कितें आहा ही आफ्टर ऑल दीज आर स्टुडंट्स ह्या स्टुडंट्सांक त्या तरेचें न्यूट्रिशन गावूंक जाल्यार स्टुडंट हांगाच्यान खंय वयतले हो एक व्हडलो प्रश्न आशिल्लो. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. IDCच्या बाबतींत बी हांवें ऑलरेडी उल्लेख केल्लो आसा की आमी इंडस्ट्रियल कॅन्टीन्स एक वेगळ्या तरेचो कन्सेप्ट घेवन आमी येतले एंड वी विल हॅव अ एजन्सी लायक दीस एन इंडस्ट्रियल कॅन्टीन कन्सेप्ट विथ सबसिडायज्ड फूड फॉर फर्स्ट 1 year will be started in the state of Goa. First I will take on a pilot basis Pilen, I will take Verna and I will take Kunde where there is a large amount of established industrial estates and I will also talk to them because the other day when talking to the Goa chamber also it was told that we need something like Sodexo to even come into the industrial estate. So whatever decision which we are taking, we will take the chamber, we will take the Goa State Industrial Association into confidence and go step by step. But today we are here, which is for me this was very important. Nursing hostel was very important because these girls had no place to go. The students had nowhere to go. You know what was happening when the work was going on here. Now you see, I was actually startled when I saw the fence that is being put up. It looks like as though I've come into Alcatraz or something like that. So basically, problem what happened is here when the highway and all was being built, there was no fence. All sorts of characters used to enter. I used to get complaints from the parents. So nutrition was something. Food. Yeah, mess.
I am principal of the Nursing Institute, Mrs. Catherine Rona, and we are very delighted with the services which have been offered by Sodexo. And I think the real test is the response from all the students. So everyone is happy with the food at the rate at which it has been supplied and the kind of services that have been provided by Sodexo. Before the start of Sodexo services, the canteen was managed by the students and with the staff that are supplied or have been paid by the government of Goa. As of now, that would not be there anymore. So all the issues of students having to contribute, issues of students having to be involved with the mess will be stopped completely. So it's a big relief for everybody actually.
Thanks to the minister.
Sorry?
Thanks to the minister.
No. Healthy food is always important. It's not only healthy in terms of the kind of quality of food, in terms of how clean it is, but also in terms of the fat content, nutritional content, all that is seen too. So it's been a big help and it will continue to be a big help.
म्हजें नांव त्रिशा कुलासो आनी हांव थर्ड इयर BSc नर्सिंग शिकता. जेन्नासून हें कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलां आमकां बरें जेवण मेळटा. हेल्दी फूड एंड द क्वॉलिटी इज वेरी गुड. I would like to thank the health minister for starting this new canteen in our college. Many of our problems are solved. We don't have to run the mess anymore and manage everything. So it's a good initiative.
ते बऱ्या खातीर स्टार्ट केलेलें आसा आनी हांगासर जे आमकां फुडाचे जे प्रॉब्लम आसले फ्रॉम लास्ट तेन्नाचे आमी कॉलेज नर्सिंग स्टार्ट जाला सो ते आतां बरेपणान हांगा सॉल्व जाल्लेले आसा आनी हांव आतां थँक्स करपाक सोदता हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सो तेणी आमकां हांगा Sodexo कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलेलें आसा आनी हेल्दी फूड आमकां प्रोवायड करता.